I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a watermark to Google Docs. Have you ever wanted to add a professional touch to your documents or ensure your work is recognized and protected? A watermark can be the perfect solution, whether it's your company logo, a confidential stamp, or just a personal signature across your document. Today, I'm excited to show you how to add a watermark to your Google Docs, a simple yet effective way to brand and safeguard your important documents. Step 1. Open the Google Docs file you want to add a watermark to. Step 2. Click Insert in the row of options along the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Watermark in that menu. Watermark options are displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 3. You can click Image if you want to add an image from your computer as a watermark on your Google Docs document. In this example, I'll click Text to just add some simple text as a watermark. Step 4. Type the text you want to insert as a watermark in the Insert Text field. Step 5. By default, your Google Docs watermark will be displayed behind text. If you want to change this, navigate to the Placement section and then click to choose In Front of Text. Your watermark will now appear in front of your text. Step 6. Navigate to the Transparency section. Use this slider to adjust the transparency of your watermark. Step 7. Click Done when you're finished. Your watermark will now appear on all pages of your Google Docs document. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.